Hi there, just going to do a cold start video on the Celica Supra. Haven't driven it for a few weeks, so but this car starts always very easily, so no worries. I've just checked the oil and the water, it's all okay. While I'm doing that, I'll just give a quick look underneath the bonnet too, so you can see the inner wings and the bulkhead. So it's all original and seems to be well taken care of. I think this car was indoors a lot of its life. No signs of any leaks since I've owned it. It does have a timing belt. Note that it was changed at 115,000, so that's there. And it's obviously had good quality oil before. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty much ice cold exhaust. So as I said, not been started for a few weeks. Very windy here, hope you can hear. Jump in. Make sure it's not in gear. There you go. So that's typically how it is, no matter how long you leave it sitting. I've not driven this car that much while I've owned it. Yeah, you can see temperature also showing it focuses to be cold, and just idling about 1300 RPM. Very smooth running engine, the 5N. Sounds good as well. I do like straight 60 is one of my favourite engines. I won't drive it too much since it's been cold for quite a while. It does seem to have had the aircon bypass in the past, which does make sense for UK. They're not that fast, these cars, so probably every bit of power you can get is good.